Okay, what is going on, guys? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You are listening to your host Alex, and we are on Finance with Alex. So thank you guys for tuning in today's video. Well, actually, before we get into today's video, I just want to let everyone know cryptos have been going crazy and things are going to be getting a bunch more crazier. So I'm going to be doing a 500 XRP giveaway. That's right, I've been hearing a lot of channels talking about doing 50 XRP and 200 XRP. The most I've ever heard was 250 XRP. But on this channel, we're not going to play around. We're going to do 500 XRP giveaway. And all you got to do is make sure that you're subscribed, comment down below for your entry, like the video of course. And if you guys can get this video to 1,000 likes in 24 hours, then we'll be selecting someone from the comment section, and I'll be getting your guys' wallet address so that I can send you guys over that 500 XRP. So following this, we're going to be taking a look at a couple of different things today. There are so many crazy things going on in the crypto world, and this channel is pretty much about all the different types of finance and all the different categories. I talk about how I diversify with different investments and ideas, and which leads me to let you guys know that I'm actually margins trading right now as we speak. At the time of this video, I am margins trading XRP. So we're hoping that we can make some money with this leverage trade while we're making this video. I'm going to be letting you guys know how it goes in the next video, because it's going to be something around like 250 to 300 pips. That's what we like to do. We like to just see where it's going in the long run, and we like to just float our way there. So I'll be letting you guys know how it's going. And as we are doing this video, we're going to be taking a look at a couple things like the cryptocurrency live price chart. So BTC, $19,234.55. Market cap, 357.1 billion. And as everyone knows, everyone's been hearing, and if you haven't, this should be a multi-trillion-dollar market cap very, very soon. Now, we don't know how soon. We can't put a timestamp on it, but just like every type of asset, and just think about this in the long run and even in the short term, gold has a $10 trillion market cap, give or take. And I cannot wait until we just get a little piece of that into the crypto worlds. And of course, it will go to BTC and most likely poureth over. So all the other altcoins will eat too, which means all of us as a team and a community should be heading for the moon. And especially for XRP, we have some interesting news that is going to be happening with Spark tokens on December 12th, I believe so. Don't quote me on it, but I believe it's the 12th. I've been having some crazy days, lots of stuff going on. But yeah, so it's going to be pretty interesting to see what happens to XRP during this time frame. I kind of think it's going to do a nice little pop up, probably somewhere between, I don't know. I don't like to do things like that, because then if I'm wrong, then I look like I have no idea what I'm talking about. But I don't really care, because ultimately I am not going to do what I did today. And I'm actually going to tell myself, guys. I'm going to tell myself right now here in this video. And so here's what I did. And I know many of you will be able to relate to this. So this is why I'm going to share it. And this is why I'm probably never going to do it again after I tell you guys what I did. And so this is what I did. So I have X amount of XRP. I have a large amount. Not enough to be considered a whale, but a pretty big amount. And well, if you can tell where I'm going with this, what I tried to do is XRP was supposed to be taking a nice little correction, and something, I didn't even pay much attention to it throughout the weekend, like on the beginning of the weekend, like Friday and even Saturday. But today I knew that on Sunday that there was going to be some type of correction here, so we're filming this video on Sunday at 9:25 coming from Miami. So shout out to everyone. Let me know where you guys are from, where you guys are watching from in the comment section down below. We're here in the Broward County area in South Florida. So if you guys are here, what's up? And to everyone else, hope you guys are invested in crypto, or at least following the news to see where it's going. So anyways, now we have to check out the price live cryptocurrency price map. So we have the $19,224.98 with Bitcoin. I don't know why I have a little type of, it's a, how do I say this? It's I don't know, it just takes me a second to register sometimes because I'm just constantly looking at numbers all day long, that sometimes my brain just likes to do big farts. I'll look at numbers and they just won't, I can't comprehend it sometimes. So it just takes me a little second. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure I'll be all right. So anyways, $19,214. Then we have ETH at $593.70. Market cap $67. $67 billion. Oops. This is supposed to be going up rather soon. You know, there's a lot of things going on with ETH, and it is actually working towards expansion, just like a lot of these cryptos that we've been looking at here, the top gainers. But ETH specifically has a lot of expansion room. It could actually stretch its legs pretty far. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens with ETH. I do have a little bit of ETH, not so much, but I do have a little bit. I mean, hey, what's the worst that can happen? It's you know, it's pretty much like something that's needed for everybody. You know, as a crypto investor, you have to have a little bit of ETH in there. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but that's just how I feel about it. So next we have XRP. XRP right now trading at 60 cents, 60.9 or 0.609918. And also the market cap, I feel it is very small for where it's going in the future. 27.648 billion. Volume in the last 24 hours, 3.258 billion. And liquidity, 90.331 million. And right now it's down for the hour at 0.29. But like I said, with the Spark token happening in December 12th time frame, we should be experiencing a nice little rally upwards. But we'll be taking a look at that closely as time goes on. We have USDT, LTC, Litecoin. Honestly, I don't own any Litecoin. I don't find it to have much utility. But you know, that's just me. Maybe you look at it differently. I mean, I've seen some Twitter pages of people who really are ride or die LTC, but I just, you know, I can't relate. So next we have Chainlink. Chainlink is going somewhere, I believe, 13.30 with a market cap of 5.2592 billion. And we have the volume for the last 24 hours at 417.1 million, growing slowly. All these caps were very small numbers once upon a time and through the bear market, and now they're just slowly but surely inching their way through. Let's not forget about XLM. XLM is right now trading at 0.17 cents, and it has a little baby market cap of 3.737 billion. So next we're gonna go ahead, and I just want you guys to know that I have been posting. Don't look. I sold this car, by the way. I guess I'm gonna have to change the picture because I don't own this car anymore. Yeah, I sold it, guys. It was a car that I used for my rental business. I had a side. I mean, I still do. It's a rental, a Turo business where you can rent your personal cars, and you know, if you rent like your cars, maybe for you and your wife or you and your whatever, your girlfriend. It's a nice little side hustle, but I bought a whole bunch of cars and exotic vehicles and started renting them out. I fell in love with this one, and we had to sell it. So we're going to probably be getting something eventually soon. We'll see. Maybe if this pandemic lightens up a bit, we'll get something soon. If not, you know, there's really no rush. We spend a lot of time just checking out the cryptos. As you guys can see here, look at all these videos, except this one. I mean, you can go show this video some love, but there was no audio. It was just like a smack in the face. It's okay. It wasn't too long, though. Yeah, so I really do. I put a lot of time here. I put a lot of effort. I post here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And it's always some content that's pretty interesting to me and really something that you could take information from and do something with. And I just want to highlight the fact that even though we have 143 here, that is beeper code for I love you. If you are a millennial and before, you'll know exactly what I'm saying. And if you're not, then you'll be like, what is that guy talking about? Well, Google it, 143. It means I love you, beeper code. Anyways, so yes, I love my followers. I love my subscribers. And we've been getting some good growth. So thank you guys very much. We've been getting a lot of positive attention. New viewers, new watchers, new subscribers, new comments. Everything is just fantastic. And that's why I was thinking about that 500 XRP giveaway. I'm like, wow, how do I express my gratitude? Because you know something? This is just something that I really enjoy doing. I mean, if you've been around with me for the longest, you'll know that I have an e-commerce website. That's where I gain my living. That's how I survive in this cold world. I have an e-commerce business that I've been able to thankfully get successful with. in early 2017, 2018. And yeah, so it's been doing really well for me. And now we just do a whole bunch of things like cryptos and stock market and great things like that in Turo. And so I share all that great stuff with you guys here. So if you're interested, check it out. We're going to move on now because we are going to move to more interesting stuff than me. So just make sure to subscribe. You have to, and drop to enter into that giveaway. You have to put a comment down in the comment section so that I can pick you guys out, because I really want to see how this goes. This is going to be interesting. And remember the criteria. I mean, I did say 1,000 likes in 24 hours, and I feel like that's a lot considering that I don't think I've ever gotten anywhere near that much. But maybe it'll motivate people. And you know something? I'm going to change it. I'm going to do 750 likes in 24 hours, 500 XRP. All you got to do, like, comment, and subscribe to enter, and we will pick someone in those 24 hours if it happens. Next up, we have Bitcoin set for $288,000 bull run in 2020. Wow. Well, you know something? If you guys take a look at this, this was July 1st, 2020, and this was just a couple months ago. Fast forward, now we're in December, in the last month of 2020, and this is what they said a couple months ago. Do we see this happening? It's just so hard. It's so hard to even fathom. It's so hard to, you can't say no, you can't say yes. You don't know where it's going. All you can do is, you know, invest in Bitcoin and sit on your hands and just check it out, see where it's going, because ultimately there's going to be one of two things happening. You're either going to buy it, you're going to lose out, or you're going to buy it and you're going to make big bucks, big gains. So, like, you know, some people, you know, they're like, oh wow, it's 20K, I can't really risk that. But you know something? If it swings around that 20K, you know, look what they're saying here. I'm not saying that they're right about it, but they didn't, I don't know, they could have came up with this number out of thin air. But I've seen even higher price predictions, 500,000. Oh my gosh. I've seen some great things. I think I read not too long ago from Max Kaiser. He was saying a 40 to 80x, and 80x, that's a $800,000 Bitcoin. So, like, I don't know. I'm not gonna sit here and get excited, because when I start talking about things like this, I don't know. I feel like I lose track of reality, because it's just, I wouldn't be able to, like, fathom or understand what happens to me or any of all of us, the whole crypto community, if Bitcoin blows and does that 40 to 80x, which it's not about if it does, but it's going to be about when it does. And then we all know that the altcoins are just going to follow within a quick, short couple of weeks period after the king BTC makes its move. That's usually how it goes. It is dominant. It is usually about 66% dominant, leading all the cryptos in its path. So anyways, we have Bitcoin adds second red dot. Let's check it out here. Actually, let's start right here. Bitcoin may be struggling to hit 10,000, but its progress is right. Actually, we're not going to take a look at this, because this was from July, and we are so past this. I just wanted to show you guys something from July, so we're not going to read that. Let's see here. Someone just emptied out $1 billion Bitcoin wallet. No one knows who it was. This was an interesting article. A password protected Bitcoin wallet. Yes, of course, they're all encrypted, with almost 1 billion in cryptocurrency has just been emptied out. Ooh, mystery surrounds this suspicious why can't I talk? Transaction, and the party who finally managed to cash out the big fat amount, $1 billion. Wow, that's huge. Bitcoin's withdrawn from wallet in one day. Imagine, and something I wanted to let you guys know also. So how much do you guys think this guy, or this person, this anonymous person, paid to cash out this Bitcoin? It was all within one day. And how much do you think it costed to get that all sorted out? Well, any guesses? Okay, well, I'll just cut it short just to let you guys know that the guy paid about $4, or gal, whatever. The person paid about $4 to get that transaction sorted, and that is just absolutely insane. $1 billion to move it, $4. It just doesn't make sense. It's the power of Bitcoin. I don't know. Next, the XRP Ledger daily new account activations drops by 83.5%. This is actually good. Why? Because every time the XRP new account activations drop, we notice a spike in the price of XRP. Like I was telling you guys, this is a sign. Then we have another sign that the Spark token in December 12th. So there's a lot of good news, a lot of bullish news coming up for XRP. It's gonna be a freaking awesome, or no bad words, it's gonna be an amazing time for us, and you know, we could be XRP millionaires. You never know. It's really every day that news is coming out, every time that a new article or some type of series of events come out, that whether it has to do with them expanding or them joining forces with somebody else, it's just great news. It's bullish, and people are slowly starting to adopt it. Now, not everybody just yet, but this is good that, you know, at least the people, there's a lot of people who were very bearish on it and against it, who are now slowly turning around and realizing that this actually is something that has great potential, and this is what is leading everybody to take a better look at it. And you know, this is going to be great, and I know that as time goes on, there will be more and more people supporting and backing it up. So continuing on, we have, let's see, XRP's Ledger's daily new account activations hits a 2-year high of 8,068 on November 24th. Not too long ago. November 24th was also when XRP hit a local peak value of 80 cents. Now, that depends on what exchange you guys are using. I was using Coinbase. Mine said 92 cents. I was like, what? I was going crazy, but I didn't sell because I'm retarded. I should have sold it. And the thing is, you know, something that I shoulda, coulda, woulda, and I shouldn't have it, but I should have, and I'll tell you why. Because, you know, like I told you guys, I'm carrying a pretty nice bag of XRP, and to sell it, you know, I would have been profitable in this scenario, but no one can guarantee that it would have played out in this exact manner. Because what if I would have sold it and would have just kept going up? You know what I mean? Then how do you feel? You spin it around into a different scenario. But it didn't go like that, so it would have worked out for me. I just didn't get to it in time. Wasn't meant to be. No big deal, no problems. So I'm not really worried about a couple of cents or even $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 for that matter, because we are looking at a difference of hundreds of thousands of dollars, or possibly even millions. You don't even know. So do your research on it before you doubt it. For just a couple of cents, that will change to about $10,000 to $30,000. So if you weigh $10,000 to $30,000 or a couple hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars, then it doesn't make any sense to do that, and jeopardize the risk to reward, or the risk management. It just doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all to do that, so I didn't. And next we have veteran German bank to launch crypto fund featuring Bitcoin, ETH, ETH, and XLM in 2021. This is good news. This is just bringing more and more positive information, more awareness, more adoption to the crypto space, and this is what we need. We need it to just continue growing upon itself, so that we can have more and more people use it. It could be a good functional tool of society, which will in turn continue to give it its growth, and it will also benefit and make the crypto community very happy. So not only that, but it's something that only, you know, 1%. We are the 1%. I would like to say we're the 1% of the world that are into crypto, that have actually realized the potential, the functionality of where it's going, the future. You know what I mean? We're that 1%. And so, you know, there's going to be a point in time where more people start to converge, and the people who've been here waiting with their popcorn, you know, it could be a really crazy ride for them. So that's what we hope. This is where we see it going, and this is why we're going to keep you updated with this crypto news, because we have a lot of great news and information. It's crazy. A lot of stuff going on day in and day out. So we have to keep you guys updated, and you need to stay updated. I recommend that you are subscribing to all the crypto channels, all the finance channels. Support all of them if they're able to give you guys information that is relevant and up to date and consistent, because there is just so much news that it's going to be very hard for one YouTuber to catch all of it. So, you know, the more people that you are attached to, the more people you will be able to hear things from, and you know, it's good. At the end of the day, knowledge is power. So now we have the veteran German bank, can't pronounce that, is set to launch a crypto fund in 2021 as the demand for crypto assets increases. This bank, which dates back to 1796, will feature Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stellar in its upcoming crypto fund. The products will be facilitated by the bank's recently licensed digital asset fund dubbed Innovation Capital, also known as HAIC. The initiative mostly targets institutional investors and high net worth individuals who can fork a minimum of $200,000 or $242,500 towards investing in the fund. As for the charges, the bank will impose a 2.05% investment fee. Money, the industry average. Notably, investors will be flexible to invest and divest their funds from the H&A at any time. To roll out this crypto service, the bank has partnered with a Berlin domiciled fintech firm by Capilendo. This entity will be tasked with the storage of HAIC's crypto fund and is expected to provide a secure ecosystem where user funds will be SAFU. SAFU. I thought I was gonna say safe, but it says SAFU. What is SAFU? Secure asset funds for users. Secure asset. SAFU. Okay, acronyms. It's gonna be SAFU, everybody. Don't worry, it'll be SAFU. So, increased demand for crypto products. You know something? I think we really got the idea here. So, pretty much more products, more demand. As crypto becomes more relevant, there's going to be more things for crypto. Next, we have CME leverage funds double downs on shorts as Bitcoin maintains at 19,000. Why are they doubling down on shorts? Because that is what everyone believe happened. That's what they believe is like to happen. They believe that it's already past its all-time high, or it didn't pass its all-time high. That's the issue. Some people on different exchanges seen different things. I didn't see it hit its all-time high. Some people did. Either way, their point to this is that if it didn't hit its all-time high, it's going to retrace. It's coming down. I don't know. Some people say 16,000, some people say 12,000. I say it'll be somewhere between 13 and 15, 13, 15. Yeah, I mean like 15, 13, somewhere around there. It'll be in the teens, so it's not going to be much of a difference. It'll be in the teens if it were to come down. But I'm not saying do anything. I'm not saying buy, sell, or do anything at all. I'm not a financial investor. Well, actually, I'm a financial investor, but I'm not a financial advisor. And so for that reason, please do not sell, buy, or do anything in regards to investments because of anything that I say or do. That would be a very, really, really bad decision, only because I am not legally able. I can't do that. I don't know anything about that stuff. We just simply like to talk about this stuff and enjoy the concepts of gains and talking about cryptos and investment strategies. So make sure that you do your research before doing anything for cryptocurrencies and investing. Next up, we are going to check out here the fresh off Bitcoin's record high in late November. Leverage funds trading Bitcoin's futures on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange continue adding to their short positions as the leading cryptocurrency trades above $19,000. Yes, it's chilling there. It's good. Net short open interest OI for CME leverage funds, or total amount of outstanding contracts, hits record levels for the past 2 weeks, according to CME commitment of traders reports published every Friday. I'm not going to read all of this stuff to you guys, but we're going to hit the most important stuff. So the market's total OI hit record highs of 1.3 billion at the end of last month. That's awesome for November. And check this out. It's starting to go down a bit. So yeah, they're putting in a lot of shorts towards Bitcoin because some people anticipate, some people don't. That's just how it is right now. You're either on the complete upside of Bitcoin price, or you're on the complete bear side of Bitcoin price. It's just been like that for the longest time, and even now it's been narrowing down even more like that. So now we got to finish this up because this video is getting really long, and I don't want to be too long, but I really just want you guys to leave with all of the information. So $20 USD for XRP price forecast for 2021 is underway. Whoa, shout out to the XRP millionaires and billionaires. What's good? Shout out, guys. Make sure that you make yourselves known. Our long-term XRP target of 20 USD is underway. XRP will show evidence of this in 2021, regardless whether it will hit 20 USD already in 2021. Even if it didn't hit 20 USD, we know it's going somewhere far and beyond. We don't want to sell too early. Make sure you know where you're going to be selling, so you don't sell too quick in advance, and you don't, short yourself out. You're going to get the short end of the stick if you don't know where you're selling. The evidence showing annual XRP forecast by Investing Haven's research team. See, okay, so So we already know that XRP is to go real far. Now, do we know if it's going to go to $20 in 2020? 2021? We don't really know. Are we expecting it? We don't know. But we know that it could be going to even triple digits in the future. And that's why, I don't specifically like talking about what Investing Haven talks about, because sometimes they're a little biased and they, just for some reason, I don't really like the way they post the information for that matter. But anyways, we already know XRP is going pretty far. We don't know how far, we don't know when, but we know that things are underway. So be very, very cautious if you're doing anything with XRP or any of these cryptos, and just enjoy it and learn as much as you can in the process. Will our crypto users move? We already did that. We already did this earlier on in the video. The emptied out, and right here, crypto users moves 1.1 billion in Bitcoin. Yeah, we already spoke about that. If you guys want, you can take a look here. You guys can just take a read. I should have got me some water because I need to stay hydrated. We all need to stay hydrated, and that's why I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys are watching this video right now, get hydrated. Just go get some water. Go drink some water right now. It's good for you. Stay hydrated. I was in the military and the Air Force, and that was something that they always said. They always made sure that everyone was hydrated. Water is really important. It makes you feel good. So makes your body function well. Anyways, now if you guys got that reading and drink out of the way, Ripple Capital firm calls XRP amazing investment. Will the price rise to $1? Yes, we already spoke about this here. And $1, $10, 20, 25, 30. There's been so many that ultimately we just want to be in this for the long run, because we don't know where it's going to top out. We don't really know. All we know is it's very cheap and it has a lot of room to grow, a lot of expansion, so a lot of opportunity. We don't want to be giving ourselves the short end of the stick, because it could go a lot further than when we sell, and that would just really make you want to kick yourself and swallow your foot. So now here we have last thing to get this going, to wrap this up. It will send BTC on chain. Analyst says Bitcoin holders or hodlers are only getting stronger. Yeah, so as time goes on, there is more and more demand. It's getting crazy. I mean, people don't know what to think. They don't know what's going on. And look at this, suggesting 200K per BTC by the end of 2021. Looks conservative. 300 not out of the question. Like, it's crazy, you know what I mean? We are gonna have a very interesting run in 2021, and that's the least. So we're gonna be paying attention to this. Make sure you stay subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, with the bell notification, turn on all, so you can be notified on premium crypto, stock market, finance news just like this. Once again, I am your host, Alex. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you comment. Make sure, if you just hopped in late in the video and skipped around, that you comment and subscribe to be entered into the 500 XRP giveaway. So yes, that will be interesting. All we need is 1,000 likes in 24 hours. 1,000 likes in 24 hours, 500 XRP giveaway. I think it's super fair. So excited to see who's gonna win it. And that's gonna be it, guys. So hope you enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.